Namaskar, dear students. Uh, Delighted to inform you that in some 2 months' time, we have more than 10k, 10,000 views, and we have so many subscribers joining us daily from Gujarat state, India, and from abroad. And many are sending me complimentary messages. So thanks to all are welcome. This is journey of knowledge. Okay. So this is the topic. Second lesson: electrostatic potential and capacitance. We have to draw V versus R graphs. V is electric potential for point charge and electric dipole. We know that for point charge, voltage V equals to kQ by R. Okay? And for electric dipole, V equals to K into vector P dot R cap upon R square. See, we discussed this topic yesterday, but even though I can explain you like this, say, suppose this is plus Q, this is minus Q, okay? We have a point here that is P. This is midpoint of our electric dipole having length 2a. This angle is called theta. This is called axis. Okay, this is called equatorial line, or plane line in it is called equatorial plane, like this. Okay, just for your reference. Now, what is theta? Okay, theta is the angle between vector P. This is R for us. Okay, this direction is vector R. So R cap is this direction, P is this direction. The angle between vector P and R cap is theta. Theta equals to angle between vector P and vector R cap. Okay, so this is the formula for electric dipole. We have special cases. See, for point on dipole axis, this is called axis. If I take a point here, in that case, theta will be 0. If I take a point here, in that case, see, P is in this direction and R is in this direction. In that case, theta will be 180, say pi. So for point on axis, okay, this is suppose point A, this is suppose point B, okay. So for A, theta is 0. For B, theta is pi, okay. And we know that cos 0 is 1 and cos pi is minus 1. In that case, if I put here 0, cos 0, that is 1. So Kp upon R square. If I put cos theta is minus 1, it will be minus Kp upon R square. So values can be written as plus or minus Kp by R square for any point on axis of dipole. Okay, this is called equatorial, okay, plane. Equatorial plane. Okay, for this theta will be 90 degree, that is pi by 2. So cos theta will be 0. So potential on at any point on this plane, okay, is 0. V, okay, equatorial plane is 0. V axis is plus or minus Kp by R square. Okay, now just we have to draw the graphs. Okay, V versus R. R is the distance. Okay, in case of point charge, this distance is calculated from the point charge itself. In case of dipole, it is measured from the midpoint. Okay, see now here V is proportional to 1 upon R. For point charge, V is proportional to 1 upon R. And for electric dipole, V is proportional to 1 upon R square. That means the potential will decrease slowly in case of point charge and rapidly in case of dipole. That's why this is called the graph of V for potential charge, that is V is inversely proportional to R. Barabar? Here, this is graph for dipole. Okay, so V is proportional to, here inversely proportional to R, here inversely proportional to R square, or say V is proportional to 1 upon R square. So it will decrease rapidly. Okay, we cannot put here values. Okay, yesterday I explained you some graphs putting values. Why we cannot put here values? Because theta, okay, is again a different factor. We can consider values for K, Q and R, we can take different for different points. But what about theta? Okay, so this graph is very easy to understand by itself without putting values. Okay, bye.